know you're in trouble when Randy runs after you, rips you out of the car. He just pulled dad move on that one. No with the phone.
Just go out, bitches!
Tonight, Randy, I got something a little bit better, right? It's got your name on it, but I want you to know, this goes out to the kids, everybody, the family. This goes out to your staff. This goes out to everybody that is a part of what you guys do. This is a sign of our relationship. It's from everybody out here. Ladies and gentlemen, what I want to do right now is I want to welcome Randy Oakley into the official Trucks Gone Wild Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen. Randy, brother, we love you, dude. You're a huge part of the Trucks Gone Wild family. We would not be here tonight partying with you guys if it wasn't for a phone call that he and I had about 9 years ago. So thank you guys very much.